it's chaotic outside. People are already leaving, you know what I mean? It's like smoke in the air, you could smell fire.
What do you do with a community whenever the places that could be used as a shelter are destroyed?
It's overwhelming when you walk into your second home and see all of your belongings just scattered and it's pouring rain in your building, and knowing what you have lying ahead of you.
When it comes to a large loss, you need manpower.
We're able to tap into that network of trained, certified, qualified technicians through our Restore franchisees and mobilize those people from all over the country to help us respond to these types of catastrophic losses.
The way they've come in and just taken over the school, it was just remarkable. It just really taken tremendous weight off my shoulders.
We're used to being on that opposite end, and so to have someone come in and be the Army to the Army was just an amazing thing.